In this video, I'm going to show you how to save extracted audio in CapCut. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open CapCut on your desktop device. Make sure that you have the app installed on your desktop. Now go ahead and open your project and export your project. Now in here, as you can see, there is an audio option, so go ahead and check this audio to be able to export the audio of your video on CapCut. In this section, you'll be able to select the audio file format that you want to use for exporting the audio of your video. So as you can see in here, you can select from MP3, WAV, AAC, and FLAC audio file format. You can also export your project as a video, audio, and a GIF. To be able to do that, just go ahead and check on the checkbox beside each of this option. So in here, just go ahead and check on the checkbox of your selected file format for exporting your CapCut project. So you can go ahead and export this as a video as well as an audio, and you can also export it as a GIF. You can also customize the format and the quality of the video and the GIF. After that, you can simply hit on the export button to export it on your device.